Hi learners, hope you all are doing very well. Today we will going to learn the name of 10 fish without scales along their spellings and their correct pronunciations. Now here we go. Please do practice regularly and learn them easily. Number 1. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Number 2. Catfish. C-A-T-F-I-S-H. Catfish. Number 3. Eel. E-E-L. Eel. Number 4. Hagfish. H-A-G-F-I-S-H. Hagfish. Number 5. Mandarin fish. M-A-N-D-A-R-I-N. Mandarin. F-I-S-H. Mandarin fish. Number 6. Anglerfish. A-N-G-L-E-R-F-I-S-H. Anglerfish. Number 7. Mudfish. M-U-D-F-I-S-H. Mudfish. Number 8. Lamprey. L-A-M-P-R-E-Y. Lamprey. Number 9. Boal. B-O-A-L. Boal. Number 10. Latter. L-A-T-H-A. Latter. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, visit it, likes my videos, and have a good day.